Hi friends, and welcome back to Decorate Your Life, Scrapbooking and Card Making. Today I'm sharing a card making process where I show you how to put together this doily inspirational card using my dies from Spellbinders. I begin by cutting 10 pieces with my Spellbinders Timeless Grace doily die set by Becca Feeken. I decided to trim off the interlocking mechanisms, and that's what I'm showing you here. I then take a 12 by 12 piece of cardstock, trim it to 6 by 12, and then score it at 6 inches. Next, I take a different piece of cardstock and trim it down to 5 7/8 by 5 7/8. I add some double-sided tape to this piece and then place it to the top of my card base. Next, I take another piece of the same color cardstock as the first one and I trim it down to 5 1/2 by 5 1/2 and apply it with double-sided tape to the top of my card. And once I'm satisfied with the number of shapes that it's going to take to make my doily, I then begin the gluing process. Okay, so now that this part is done, I'll be adding a sentiment to the center of my card. But this sentiment will go on top of a die cut piece, and I'm using the Spellbinders Splendid Trilliant die set by Becca Feeken for the center of my card. And to decorate the top of my card, I've die cut a couple of flourishes using my Spellbinders Foliage Flourish die set. I then add a heartwarming scripture sentiment sticker on the center die cut piece, add my decorative touches, and I'm done. Easy peasy, folks. I hope that you enjoy the remainder of my card making tutorial, and you'll find my supplies list with links in the area right underneath this video, and be sure to visit my blog where you'll find more paper crafting ideas, inspirations, and tutorials. And you can also support me on Patreon each month for just about the price of a cappuccino. Oh my gosh, I love cappuccino. And you know those little cake pops? Oh my word, those are my weakness. Oh my gosh. And the banana nut bread. Okay, I'm going off subject here. I'll see you once again real soon. Bye now.